enjoying their holiday season. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time, because I am. So, I wanted to come back for the third month now to show you guys my Vegan Cuts subscription box, what I got in the mail in this box for the month of December. So stay tuned to see what I got. This is not sponsored, this is not a donated video, this is not sent to me courtesy of Vegan Cuts. This is something that I research and I pay for with my own money, so the opinions that I express are truly my own, alright? Vegan Cuts is beauty items that comes to you every month in a subscription box. They are vegan, cruelty-free, and basically natural and good for your skin. And as you guys know already from my previous video titled the Think Dirty app video, I'll link that below, I'm really trying to switch over all of my cosmetics and all of my skincare to a more natural, a more healthy regimen. So this box comes in handy where I get to try out new products and basically share them with you guys. The first product is from a company called Concrete Minerals, and it is a silky soft and super pigmented eyeshadow made with the purest minerals, and it has an $8 value. So this is what it looks like. Comes in this little tub right here. Now let's open it up. This loose eyeshadow, there we go, see? It's like a mauve kind of, without too much sun reflection. It's like a very mauve color. When I swatch it on my hand, this is how it looks. It looks kind of pale to me, kind of chalky. I don't know how I would wear this, or I don't know yet. I honestly don't know if I like this, to be honest with you guys. The color is, it's pro matte eyeshadow. Maybe I have to watch some YouTube videos to see how to apply it, but the color it looks chalky to me. And I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I really don't know. But interesting. I will try it out and let you guys know. The second product is called Crazy Rumors. It is a cruelty-free lip balm in a variety of seasonal scents and flavors. It has a value of $3.50. So it looks like this, Crazy Rumors lip balm, and it's in the scent Hot Cocoa. And I actually do love hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate. Love it. Now, unfortunately, this one I cannot try it on for you guys, only because I'm already wearing lip products, so. Ooh. It does smell like hot chocolate. It does smell like hot cocoa. It smells crazy good. Oh, and the name is Crazy Rumors, but it smells crazy good, like hot chocolate. It is really good. Give you that kissable. Those kissable. I wonder if it tastes like hot. Let me taste it. That'd be crazy. Okay, no. It doesn't taste like hot chocolate. It tastes like chapstick. But can you imagine though, you put it on and then the hubby just comes in and he gets the hot chocolate smell and the hot chocolate taste? Yes. Baby making. That's the baby making lip gloss right there. Product is called Demis Natural product. That's the company's name. It is a makeup dissolving facial cleanser that lifts dirt and debris from skin naturally. And that one has a $6 value. So it looks like this. Let me turn it to the side so you can read it. It is a makeup remover that is basically all natural and healthier for your skin. Some ingredients are castor seed oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, and geranium oil. I smell the geranium the most, but pretty good. And to remove my makeup now, I either use coconut oil or I use olive oil with a wipe. So I put the oil on my face first and then I wipe with the wipe, and that removes everything, and then I do my facial stuff afterwards. So I'm very familiar with using oils on my face to remove my makeup, but this is cool. This is cool. I love the scent of it. Very nice. The fourth product is by a company called Rohmer Dunnham. It's fresh mint toothpaste featuring 23 botanicals and extracts, and that one has a $1 value. And who doesn't need toothpaste, keep these pearly whites glowing. So it is fresh mint, And it is concentrated, so you're supposed to use less while you're brushing. And it basically has neem as well. It is fluoride-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, non-GMO, no artificial colors or bleaches, cruelty-free, and vegan. I'm going to be honest with you guys. From the looks of it, it does not look appealing at all. It's like a chalky brown color, but it's not about the look, it's about the health benefit, okay? Remember that. Not about the looks, it's about the health benefits. It looks lighter on camera, but it's like a chalky tan brown color. You see? Let's taste it. Very minty. The taste is something I guess you have to acquire appreciation for over time. It doesn't taste bad. I taste the mint a lot, but there's aftertaste that it's kind of chalky, but like I'm trying to focus on the health of it, not necessarily the taste, okay? But do I enjoy it? I don't think so. I'd have to use it, like actually brushing my teeth with it and give you guys a further review on it, but I don't know. I don't know about this one, but think about the health of it. You'll have healthier teeth, I guess. Fifth product is from a company called Brook Cosmetics, spelled with a Q. And it is soft, matte, subtle, pressed cheek color in shade Sweet 16. And that one has a $14 value. So, but it basically is blush. It looks like a very soft pink shade. Now I want to make sure I get it in good lighting for you. I'm already wearing my light blush with the highlighter already. And I'm learning how to highlight, you guys, so don't laugh at my highlight. I'm learning. Opened. Now let's swatch it. Really pigmented. But it's right here, this one. This is the first item. This is the eyeshadow. It is this color right down here. So I love the softness in the color. It's pigmented, but it's not bold, bright, neon pink. It's very soft. It will give me a nice soft blush. Like, I think I would achieve a nice soft blush with it. So I actually do like this product. I can see myself wearing it and getting like a really nice soft flushed cheek kind of blush. Like, I know I'm African American, I know I'm black, so I know I'm not gonna blush, but just that soft whisper of color that I like to add to my cheeks, I know that I can use this. I think I can use this to achieve that. So I will be using this one. Let me know if you want to review any of these products. I will definitely do it. The last item is from a company called Acure Organics, and it is a cell-stimulating facial mask to remove toxins and regenerate, firm, and soften the skin. And that one has a $7 value. Okay? This is 1 fluid ounce, so this is a good size. So it is cell-stimulating. It's a facial mask, and it has argan stem cell. It's vegan, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, PEG-free, petroleum-free, phthalate-free, silicone-free, gluten-free, synthetic fragrance-free, won't clog pores, and 100% biodegradable. That was a mouthful. That was a mouthful right there. It smells mentholy. I can smell the peppermint. It smells real organic. It's not like a fruity smell, a floral scent, a fragrance scent. It smells really earthy and organic. And if you guys don't know already, I love skincare products. Like, I take a lot of pride in taking care of my skin. Like I always mention, like, I really want to make sure that my skin underneath the makeup looks just as good with the makeup. Overall, it was a really good box. I really enjoyed this December's box. So like I said, you guys, the company is Vegan Cuts. I'll leave a link to their website below. It is $19.95 a month. This is not a sponsored video, like I said. This is just bought with my own money, me trying to do something better and something healthier for my skin. And if you guys are interested, definitely check them out. There's no affiliation that I have with them. It's just me sharing better and healthier alternatives to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more videos from me. When you thumbs up, that lets me know that you guys are liking the content that I'm putting out, and that motivates me to do more videos. So thumbs it up. Don't forget to leave a comment if you want to see me do a full review of any of these products, and I'll get that done for you. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful new year. Hopefully you guys try new things and you guys enjoy your new year. Like I said, don't forget to follow me on all my social sites at Kaya Journey. Those links will be below as well. And always, you guys, enjoy your journey, and thanks for watching. Bye. The app will tell you how much of a negative impact that is on your skin. There is no one formula that works for everyone, especially when it comes to locks and hair care.